Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most requested topics, Canva Mobile versus Canva Desktop in 2025. If you have ever wondered which one gives you the best experience for designing, whether you are on your phone or laptop, stick around because I'll break down the features, pros, cons, and the key differences to help you decide which version fits you best. Let's jump right in. Overview. So Canva is available across multiple platforms, mobile apps for iOS and Android, and desktop version that runs on browsers or as a downloadable app for Windows and Mac. In 2025, both versions have improved a lot. Faster loading times. AI tools like Magic Design, Magic Write, and even video editing are now available on both. But the experience still differs depending on what you are designing and what device you are using. Canva mobile app features and pros. Let's start with the Canva mobile. The mobile version is perfect for on the go editing. Whether you are creating quick Instagram stories, thumbnails, or presentations, the app makes it super easy to drag, drop, and publish directly from your phone. Key features: full access to Canva templates and assets, magic resize and AI powered design tools, direct sharing to Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, cloud sync, pick up where you left off on desktop, offline mode for basic designs. Pros: extremely convenient for quick edits or social media posts, easy gesture controls like bench to zoom and drag, works great for short form content creation, no need to switch to a laptop for small design tweaks. However, while mobile is flexible, it does have some limits, which we will get into next. Canva Desktop features and pros. Now, the Canva Desktop version is where serious design work happens. If you are designing brand kits, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, or videos, the desktop version simply gives you more control and visibility. Key features: full workspace with drag and drop precision, keyboard shortcuts for faster editing, access to the full suite of AI tools like Magic Edit, Magic Expand, and Magic Write, better performance when handling large or complex designs, integration with other tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. Pros: bigger screen, better visibility and accuracy, faster workflow, especially for multitasking, easier to manage multiple pages or layers, more stable for long editing sessions. So if you are working on brand assets, presentations, or professional graphics, desktop easily wins. Limitations and cons. Now, no platform is perfect. Let's talk about the downsides. Canva mobile cons: smaller screen, harder to align elements precisely, limited layering and text formatting tools, heavier projects may lag or crash on older phones. Canva desktop cons: not ideal for quick edits or social media posting, requires internet connection for most features, less portable, you cannot edit easily on the go. In short, mobile is all about convenience, while desktop is all about control. AI tools and performance in 2025. In 2025, Canva's AI tools have leveled the playing field between both platforms. Features like Magic Write, AI Background Remover, and Magic Media, which can create images or videos from text prompts, now work almost identically on both mobile and desktop. However, AI rendering tends to be smoother on desktop due to stronger processing power. So if you are using a lot of AI driven effects, desktop still has the edge. Which one should you use? Here's the bottom line. Use Canva Mobile if you design quick social posts or thumbnails, if you want to edit anytime, anywhere, if you prefer simplicity and speed. Use Canva Desktop if you are doing professional work or presentations, if you need more accuracy, layering, or AI tools, if you want faster performance and detail control. Most creators actually use both. Start on desktop and make quick edits later on mobile. So that is it. Canva Mobile versus desktop in 2025. Both are amazing tools, but the right one depends on how and where you design. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment down below and tell me which version do you prefer using, mobile or desktop. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.